Hey there drone enthusiasts! Today, I am absolutely thrilled to introduce you to the ZHENDUO E88 Pro Drone 4K Professional. The ultimate flying machine that will take your aerial photography and videography to the next level. With its dual-camera wide-angle head and remote control capabilities, this drone is a game-changer in the world of quadcopters. One of the standout features of this drone is its GPS technology, which ensures stable and precise flight, making it perfect for capturing stunning aerial shots. The high-strength and resistant engineering plastics used in the construction of the fuselage make this drone lightweight and durable, giving you peace of mind as you take to the skies. With 3-level flight speed options, you can customize the flying experience to suit your preferences and skill level, adding an extra element of fun to every flight. The 4-channel control allows for seamless maneuvering, including ascending, descending, forward and backward flight, as well as 360 degrees rolling, giving you ultimate control over your drone. The 4K dual camera setup delivers crystal clear images and videos, and with added music zoom function, you can capture every moment with stunning detail and clarity. The 2.4 GHz technology ensures anti-interference, allowing for uninterrupted and smooth flying experience. Whether you're a seasoned drone pilot or a beginner looking to explore the world of aerial photography, the ZHENDUO E88 Pro Drone 4K Professional is the perfect choice. With features such as altitude hold mode, one-key automatic return, and trajectory flight, this drone is equipped with everything you need to capture breathtaking footage. In the box, you'll find the E88RC quadcopter, a transmitter, a 3.7 volts 800 mAh LiPo battery, a USB charging cable, and spare parts for added convenience. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your flying experience. Click the link in the description to get your hands on the ZHENDUO E88 Pro Drone 4K Professional today and take your aerial adventures to new heights. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting content and product reviews. Happy flying!